Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Citi Bank account and access your credit card. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe for more informative videos. Moving on to the video, open your browser and default search engine, and then search Citi Card Login and enter the first link, or just go to www.citi.com. It will then take you to the official site of Citi Bank. Then, enter your user ID and password. You can also view your password by clicking here. Once you check your password, you can then press Sign On. After that, you should be able to log in and access your Citi Bank credit card. To make login easier for next time, you can click on Remember User ID, but I do not recommend doing so on a public computer. If you forget your user ID or password, you can reset it from here. You can also activate your account from here and register your new account by clicking here. That's all for today's video. Comment down your thoughts on this video, and if you guys find our video helpful, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. See you guys next time. Bye bye.